Ka senjuk kirang ba snong opa slong bat ka Fkjgp kira Pyrshah ju ya jing ai ka Sorkar ya Jaka bakhalai hajar square foot siau Goenka ban bu ya petrol pom ha nyomer kum ka jing ya kalyang ya petrol pom ka badon ha anjali dasngi dikot ka Fkjgp kini nam snong ka thain opa slong ya hia ka Jaka bengkat ka board district iskasi bar utrai ka petrol pom ban jurip ya Jaka ka senjuk kirang ba snong Fkjp ya pan jing pensyai bakipan ya kedulin na utrai la lada kadang im em ki kot kisla lakam baha ka jing aiwai ki tho shai bau trai ke petrol pom ula ban hiar pateng bar ula ru ban bu ya ki dhaba karwash bar kiwe kilakam baha ka jeka Goenka anjali kadon tangkumba hajar square feet kat ba ka suka pat ka ai hadu kat hajar kat lai hajar square feet ha opa slong na kam ta ba un bu e petrol pom na kalian ke Fkjp ka dawa na ka suka da ka simkia sya ka dai ban penbiang ni ka fire service ke hospital bat ke jeka de jingbam jingri nama ba ha ka than bon ginong rep bat kinuri jingri ha ka juk apon na kaleng utrai Goenka wa pensyai ba udon kam jaka sewai ban ai ka soka hadin ba IT no ya ka badon ha anjali bat ukroi ban ya terang bat ka soka bat kisnong bat kisang bro ndai udon kam ya ka jaka kum kinyi ya kaliang bat ka soka
Latih apa mengalih itu nak benkong latih apa dari Ministry of Defence kalau agree bahkan transfer ke aman bagi ya kejing transfer di ketiga Injili Junction kalau ada transfer nak ke Ministry of Defence Jaka Urban Affairs Department.
Okay, sir. We have got that clarification. Ministry of Defence has handed over. So, with this honor, the refill station, we would like to know what is the lease period with them.
Kalis pula dengan kita kalau ya bahawa kita hadap han awan nak sini.
So that is the point. Please note. Please note. Please note.
No. Kami nomor bakila akli ini korban kong kila akli bakin shift ladangi relocate deki kemot ki akli bakin shift ya kepam. Amot bakin lada ke transfer no seka urban ki ginum aja ka kini ki akli on the basis ba lada ki relocate deki katakin shift ladangi relocate ketemu ginum shift adin magile agree on that point dan ngi find ke alternate lan ki ngi alot iki dan after that ngi take over di kalan naga defense.
Okay, so we would like to know from you, Honor, please share your documents, the lease documents with the defense. Before we proceed ahead.
Yes.
We would like that lease document.
You brought the documents? No, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Actually, this thing that Anthony Petrocom, no, it is more than 100 years old. And it is a perpetual lease, you know, like our other...
Is there on record perpetual lease?
Yeah. I'm coming, sir.
Okay.
I'll take your time. So, it is going on, like, just like our Malki or any other lands. It comes for 30 years, then again renewal, that goes on. In the meantime, there was a request that, see, for continuous renewal, this we have to build a flyover there. So we cannot go for that thing. But then it went for a court case in the High Court. So High Court said, look, since the party are for more than 100 years here, why you are going for this confrontation? Because every day internet problems, sir, you know, we are stuck for 7-8 hours like that. No? So then they called us in the meeting. But thank you, the High Court judge and committee, chief secretary, so many people there. A lot of government people said, are you willing to cooperate? Why you are wanting to extend the lease there? So army said, we don't have any problem. If Meghalaya government can rehabilitate them, then this traffic problem is solved. Otherwise, every day, 9-10 hours, no, sir, someone going to hospital, someone very terribly sick. From our side, we said, we are ready to cooperate, sir. Anywhere you give us some small plot of land and we will leave it immediately. So this is the whole genesis.
Okay.
Now,
So,
now, sir, one more thing. So from our side, we don't want any. We don't want the public to be inconvenienced. Because public is more important, sir, than any, even myself, more public is important. No. Then, entire government, they called us, chief secretary, everyone, very important, on the top of people, including local people. They said, look, first you must vacate this place because we are facing so much problem, our school going children and so many things. We said, sir, we are willing. We are willing. Only you give us one small piece of land somewhere. Then the army and all these joint meetings. Okay, you also don't create confusion. In the court case, it will run for another 20 years, 30, 40 years. From suppose it started from district court, then you'll go to high court, then you'll go to Supreme Court. Can the public wait for 10 years, 20 years? So now also the flyover is stopped because of this NOC from our side. This is exchange of land, and High Court has given the order. So this entire matter will again go to the High Court. And what happened from the government side? We cannot allow that flyover there until unless they start. This is an exchange, no. It's a clear-cut agreement. So from our side, we are willing to cooperate, sir, with the village, everyone. Only we want small help. That where will we go, sir? Only that much.
Te pet na kalian jungi kung makalalong na do bastang ma. Idam ni ko isla. Kiba bangin Pyrshah. Ba paro ike daw bangi Pyrshah. Ma ngingim Pyrshah development yo don ki postu bakala. Ngim Pyrshah ya ki polong sabar jo kelintia. Nadu kalai trik Agos arjar arpulai the very first day kabangitep ba kandon ke inspection hangni ban alot di petrol pump na kaliang jongi ngeladap tho su veterinary minister ban ngitep ba kadi ke Jaka su veterinary ngitho su minister jongka veterinary kalong bangin Pyrshah kalong ba balai bahapan ai Jaka kerpang ya ubreu nabar hapo ka Jaka jongi mi kadi ke 6 schedule area kabangin melak ban laj nyapan su thu ka baningkong rekstan ni kata bat mentangi sutu ba kat kumbalong boros kata kumgalan competition act mo kalakran sai balada don kami kanu gunu Jaka ka Sorkar ka don kami kanu gunu Jaka kasih ka compensation bat kasong to ubreu wat Jaka seno lara ude usa apo operslong la Sorkar klasi competition uthiet chawes kasil uthiet segaruhel uthiet seno ka Sorkar kam don jingtu kala kata hadian kata ka besusi kalong ba kini kitrai ki persang banyalam bakala ya kesur jumpai ba Namar balai hadian mingla Pyrshah kalau ada inspection, bat hadian kat kum mengipet, naduk mana kia keren si keren dia kata court order. Keren ni court order, reng ni umkak banyak ilat nak court bat ngin buram hiru. Mereka court order habaka pasi ke judgement, haka santrik benai ba arjar arpusau. Kalau dismiss nani ia ke case, bat hang ni kalau ba is granted to the petitioner to hand over the vacant position to the defence authority. Kamu tu hapan penpai no Jaka support ke defense. Kamu lesi kata kali sekalakut ni kamu ngimtuk lah kata. Lada dai bakal di Jaka jong Sorkar kakut kalau di Bengkersai. Bawa hapan penpai tu Jaka support ke government of Meghalaya. Kadi kata kastan ke jongi ke panadu ni kong. But hadian kini ki parhoj kat kum kini court order markam ka court order ka kham tho. Ba wan hapan ai kata Jaka sa ke Sorkar kan ai Jaka ku muipan. But ke ga bangilingo nak liang jongi. Hadian bengi ya ka agreement ke Balai Daka Urban Affairs Department. Kani ka agreement ke Balai Daka Sorkar Meghalaya ke Urban Affairs Department lalong ba ai ba yune ubreu. Ya kani Jaka. Ka perthai ka jok yu mata banyo Jaka shiting ka square feet sisnem. Ka Jaka hang tai si kala ban matang arjar le arjar duna. Hang ni ki ai do khatlai hajar sispa parpoi square feet ha ka dor shiting ka square feet sisnem. Ka bomot uni usiau tang khatlai hajar sispa parpoi tingka sisnem. Plus kapalingo akan ka MOU kabaya sign ko Urban Affairs bat uni imat kilari di sak penbi daga boboram ki officer ibudan hangni nai so namar hangni la tho now thereafter a permanent a heritable and a transferable right of the use of the occupancy of the said land is hereby granted through leases kabumot kani ka Jaka kalong permanent yu kan la tho sai te hangni kalong permanent ulak ban transfer bat ulak ban her poteng kini ke ba ngisung thu sai ba kita ki board Sorkar le si kim thin snap ki pardo ik prasnam ki jongi bat ka ba kalong umba kalau penbiet hang ni kalong ba nadu meneng kan petrol pump issue dene menai ya kran me ta seteng of petrol pump henrai kat kum ka agreement omdai tang bal ailat ban set up ke petrol pump hang ni kani ka agreement joka Urban Affairs aga point ke nomor hotline la tho sai ba ula ban bu si restoran ka shopping complex car wash, kadhaba, bat kiwe. Mut is purely business. Hapdeng jung uni ubreu benabar, bat ki officer jongka Urban Affairs Department. Den nak tak tahu ngi Pyrshah. Ki kum ulong trai du ni. Bat kabalingo kolong ba haka point nomor khat nyo. Ki mention ni kata land acquisition act na
khat khanai spa prapu sa ngalingo beti officer le sikim pulekot kim tip ba kata lan akusion ak ladaban amen ho arjar khat lai katkum ka amendment juga lan akusion ak kala keren syai ha u arjar khat lai kalong ba provided also that no land shall be transferred by way of acquisition in the Shilir area. Buat kalau kerja ini bagi nomlak ban transfer ya ke Jaka. Syakiwei pat ki bomdei ki pardok prasnam ki bomdei ki trai muluk. Ini kuat ban saya kata ke urban affairs. Haduk matangim tuklar kata ke flyover. Ngim tuklar kata ke way ke kam bagabini bakaroi kapar. Kalong ba kabeningkong kalong la IT baik kita kan kali selai posnam. Rai ladap thok sai de. Ba ka de permanent ke jung u. Menum dan suuk menu balawan kendang. Pi la island u sebenarnya skiwi jadi business. Ka bombuat hang ni ka purpose ka la fail. Mah ka baar kalong balai ngi sngokya kalong ba hapo opar slong jungi ngai ki ran ba snong ki kubur ba nga. Ki babun hang ni ki nong sok snong ko opar slong ki di nong rep ki nong ri jingri. Ngidon kami ngani ke Jaka. Lara ka Sorkar ka sokya hadu kata ban ai ban le kata ki set up ki dah ba ki beli gambu ka fit meal plan hang ni. Bagi nong rep ki nyok jing mutoi ki wandi ki marep ki jongki bat hajo kupor ki nong ri jingri ru ki nyok jing mutoi kan. Mah haja ka mele thiet kita ki jingbam sniang jingbam mesi nado no po gua tiap thiet no po yodo hadu mata ka Sorkar kam padon fit meal plan hapo ka jela lojong telara ka don ka Jaka hang ni po government land kan set up dikini kan panwara ya kata karoi ka paran ya ta development ya ki pardo i persnam jongi rim ta set up petrol pump set up dah ba mut ki jongi ki sulong teng nong bela ya ban ker saya kata bat nya ban biang seisien balai si tingka si square feet si snam ka Sorkar ka iwai Lara aiwai ki babun kena samlah ni kam khalai hajar dong lak mesti ni ke kasih nai. Pilo
Padan kalang nakabanda ito di ang mga aido si ni ki petrol pump ana karena kadai kalis agreement ka bang design di hat ladak se ko premium katum ka rate di fix na po ang ka revenue department kani ka annual rental fees they have to pay manla ka slam tapini bakalan still kadang don bak government ladang ladi do ngi kimdan kam si ban sim ya government nai ka pini bak ka ownership kadang still lies but ka government no kadaw kini gidi tang leaseholder
te khendiat ko mesti interop ma ho ngi sutu eta kali sa agreement rei balai kadi ka point ka number blingkong te long permanent ne heritable and transferable right te dia kadi ngi Pyrshah fi la fi tho be bata lease kadai bi kalis kat tas nam ni renew okay fine renang ni kani kalau long punya apa sebut lasa du ya segi bentai ki bor beselor jongkaan kalau tho ang ni bola long permanent du ya uni saka takayin ka suri tu jok ni mono buduk nong ke Sorkar buduk nong ke Sorkar mono buduk nong ki ba kini ki agreement hang ni por kita ngan sa ai kopi si press por khat bengin yo i jing sisa bahado kat no bak Sorkar om desu tama ka dido i Jaka spok border area si ka khaput rewat khapsor la dia do Ginom ailat ikum kata ba kanang ye janang ni skamat.
Nakal yang ka senjuk ni si kuatang gawe ka clarification. Berkata clarification kalong we would like to know from the owner. Since the whole existing refill station is located at Anjali Point and kum ka jisnu thu ka jangi kalong ba kate kalong ka defense land kum la batai dingi officer of urban affairs. So we would like to know whether any renewal has been done from the defense department regarding that land. What is the period? Hakapor ba ka government kapan yung katuga Jaka abagi kendo yung kini try. Dai whether katuga lease period kana exist ne ka lease period kala lapse. We would like that clarification and we would like to have that documents first before we proceed for any further discussions because that is the genesis of it. We would like to clarify first that thing from the Sunjuk whether we allow this or we don't allow this very plot here that we will decide in the second stage of it. We would like to first know regarding the old land at Anjali Point where the petrol pump exists, whether that lease has crossed the lease period, whether any extension was done. We would like to clarify. We would like to have that clarification first. So please, the owner, clarify.
Our small request is we are for your essential thing more. You said by brigade or whatever that is. Because with the government.
Yeah,
have
we
nothing.
understand. And please don't try to jump around the bush also.
But rest of you
Don't try to jump around the bush. We understand very well. This is our land. We are born and brought up here and we'll die here also. Please don't jump around the bush. And you should clearly understand that from our side, we oppose this. You find out another place also, we don't mind. But not in the government land. And the government also should not give to any person until unless they fulfill our demands.